Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking Standard First Subject Science. Standard First Subject Science. We are in lesson number 14. Open your science textbook. Open your science textbook. Page number 101. Page number 101. Lesson 14. Yes, we have completed lesson 14. New terms in classwork. Open your classwork and see whether you have written lesson 14 new terms in your classwork. Today I am going to explain you lesson. Yes, today we will read the lesson and I am going to explain you. Where I am reading, you will see and you will move your finger. Which word I am reading, your finger should move along the word. Okay. So, open your textbook, page number 101. Communication. 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 See in your textbook and read. COMMUNICATION. Communication. Communication means sharing our ideas, thoughts with others. Yes, we won't keep quiet. No, whatever we have, whatever thoughts we have in brain, whatever ideas we have, we will immediately share with our family members, friends, our relatives, our neighbors. Yes or no? So communication means sharing with each other. You say something, after listening to that your friend will give answer to that. Yes, so in this way we will share our ideas. If she have any idea in our brain, she will immediately say to you. Yes, like this we will share our information, ideas to others. That is known as communication. That is known as communication means talking to each other. Communication means talking to each other. We won't talk to only one person. Yes, we talk to many people whom we know. No, we will talk with them. We will talk and we'll share our ideas, thoughts with them. In school, all day you will be in school. Yes, immediately when you see your mummy, what you will do? On the way you will say whatever happened in the school. My teacher taught this today, my teacher told this today, we went to ground to play. Yes, all that you will share with your mummy. Yes or no? So that is communication. Again, your mother, after listening to that, she will ask you few questions, you will give answer to that. That is whatever you have in your brain, whatever ideas, whatever thoughts you have, you will share with others. That is communication, talking to each other. Now listen to lesson. First, warm up activity. Warm up activity. Name the following pictures shown below. Name the following pictures shown below. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pictures are given here. Yes, you all know the names of these pictures. Everybody know the name of these pictures. Yes, I know that you know all the names of these pictures. Because we have this at home and we use this. We have this at home and we use this. So what is this first one? Computer. What is this first one? Computer. Yes, what is this? Which picture is this? Computer. Second one, TV means television. What is this second one? Television. What is this second one? Television. And down one, what is this? Your parents will read every day this one in the morning. What is this? Newspaper. What is this? Newspaper. And fourth one, phone. Telephone. Fourth one, telephone. Yes, first one, computer, television, newspaper, telephone. Once again say, computer, television, newspaper, telephone. Here you should write the name of these pictures given here. Yes, line is given below the picture. Come on, write it in that lines. Names we will write in these lines. 4 lines are given. Yes, 2 up and 2 down. First one is computer. Say computer spelling. COMPUTER. Computer. Come on, write neatly. COMPUTER. Computer. Say and write. COMPUTER. 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 Next one is, what is this second picture? Television. Come on, write. TELE. 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 Television spelling. VISION. Vision. Television. TELE. Tele. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. Computer, television. And next picture, what is this? Newspaper. Come on, write down. N-E-W-S, news. N-E-W-S, news. N-E-W-S, news. Paper spelling P-A-P-E-R, paper. P-A-P-E-R, paper. News, paper. N-E-W-S, news. P-A-P-E-R, paper. Newspaper. N-E-W-S, news. P-A-P-E-R, paper. Newspaper. Next, fourth picture, what is this? Telephone. T-E-L-E, tele. T-E-L-E, tele. T-E-L-E, telephone spelling P-H-O-P-H-O-N-E, phone. P-H-O-N-E, phone, telephone. T-E-L-E, tele. P-H-O-N-E, phone, telephone. Come on, learn the spellings. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. N-E-W-S, news. P-A-P-E-R, paper. Newspaper. N-E-W-S, news. P-A-P-E-R, paper. Newspaper. T-E-L-E, tele. P-H-O-N-E, phone, telephone. T-E-L-E, tele. P-H-O-N-E, phone, telephone. Yes, finish writing there. Now we will read the lesson. See, do you know all the above pictures help us to communicate with others? This all what we have written: computer, television, newspaper, telephone. All these help us to communicate with each other. With telephone, computer, how we can communicate, how we can talk with computer? We will send SMS, no? We will send messages to computers. We will send messages to others through computers. Television, how? By seeing the news, by seeing cartoon. Yes, whatever you see, you will think about that. Yes, you will get that ideas. Newspaper, lots of information will be printed in the newspaper in print form. Lot of newspaper, not only about our state, other state and also other countries, news messages will be printed in the newspaper. Telephone, how we can communicate with telephone? We will talk with each other on phone. No, yes, if someone calls, you will lift and you will talk with them. So these all things help us to communicate, means to share our ideas with others. Communication means sharing of information, ideas and news. Communication means sharing of ideas, whatever ideas you have and whatever information you have. If you have information about anything, any subject, any person, you will immediately let to know to your parents or relatives or friends. And also news, whatever news you have. If something happened near your house, yes, next day immediately when you meet your friends, what you will do? You will share that news with your friends. Yes, so that is communication. Whatever ideas you have, whatever thoughts you have, whatever information you have, whatever news you have within you, you can't keep anything. No, you want to share that information with others. That is communication. We would not know about each other's ideas and about what is happening in other places or around the world if we do not communicate. If we do not communicate means if we do not talk with each other, we will not come to know what is happening around us. Yes or no? If we do not talk with each other, we will not get any information. If we share our information with others, whatever information they have, they will share with you. Yes, in that way we will share our ideas, news, information with each other. If we don't share, if we keep within ourselves, what is the use? No, we, whatever ideas, whatever news we have, we will share with others. Again, the whatever ideas, thoughts that person have, he will share with you. Yes, in that way we will come to know many things what is happening near our house or around us. We mainly communicate using our voice. How we communicate? By talking. But how we talk? By our voice. Now I am talking to you. How you are able to hear me? How? Because of the voice. Because of the voice. Yes. So we communicate. We mostly communicate through telephone, mobiles also. We talk and communicate. Yes, through our voice. Through our voice. When we talk, what is coming out? Voice. So through our voice, we talk with each other. How? See, talk time. Talk time. 2 talk times are given. Listen. What do you think would happen if you never spoke to each other? If you never speak to each other, what will happen? If you don't talk with each other, what will happen? Whatever ideas are there within you, it will be inside you only. Whatever ideas your friend have, it will be with your friend only. Yes, if you share only, if you share that idea to your friend will share that idea to her friend. Yes, like that your idea, whatever news, whatever message you have, that will be passed from one to another. Yes or no? If you don't pass your ideas, if you keep inside you only within yourself, that means you are not sharing your news, you are not sharing your information. Whatever good things we have, whatever good news we have, whatever good ideas we have, we should share with others, so that that person will share with others. Again, that third person will share with fourth person. In the same way, your ideas, your thoughts will be passed from one person to another person. If you don't talk, it will be within yourself only. So whatever good things you have, you should share with others. Communicate means simply just don't talk. Whatever good ideas you have, good news you have, you should share with others. Next, talk time. Second one. How does a baby tell us that he or she is hungry? Yes, you have your younger brother, sister, no, when they are 2 months, 3 months, 1 year. Yes, how they will say when they are hungry? At that time they can't talk, no, they don't know how to talk. Yes, so how they will communicate? They start crying. Yes, they start crying. They have voice, they will start crying. They don't know to talk, but they have voice. They will start crying. By hearing that, we'll come to know something is happening to her. She is feeling hungry or so whatever, something is going on. So we will immediately check the baby. Yes or no? So the babies, how they communicate when they are very small? Through their voice, through their cry. Do you know? Next, do you know box is given. See, we can also communicate through dance, songs and drawings. We can also communicate through singing also, by dancing also, and also through drawing. If someone draws very good picture, no, we'll see and we'll say, okay, this person has drawn this one. Forest is there. In that forest we can see a lion. One story, we can narrate a story in that picture. Yes, we can create a story in that picture. By seeing the drawings also, we can communicate whatever ideas you have. You can draw in a piece of paper and you can share that with your friends. And also through song, we can make song and we can share our ideas. Now many songs we are listening. Yes, many songs we are listening. How whatever thoughts, whatever ideas they have written in a song and they have sung for us. Yes, by listening to that, we will come to know what ideas they have. And also through dance. Yes, and also through dance also we can communicate. Next paper, page number 102. Means of communication. Now you understood now what is communication. Communication means sharing our ideas, news, thoughts with others. Yes, whatever ideas, thoughts they have, they will share with you. So talking to each other, sharing with each other. How you share your things with each other? No, in communication means you will share your ideas, thoughts with each other. Means of communication. The best way to communicate is by simply talking to each other. The best way is, what is the best way of communication? Talking to each other. What these two children are doing? They are talking to each other. What is the best way of communication? Best way of ideas. Best way of sharing your ideas sharing your ideas to others is to talk. If you have any problem, if you say to teacher, then only she will come to understand. If you have any problem, if you say that to your parents, then only they will understand. Yes or no? If you keep that problem within yourself, and if you are not saying that to anyone, how others will come to know? So whatever you have, whatever problem you have, or whatever idea you have, you should share that to others. Then only they will come to know. Yes. So what is the best way to communicate? By your voice, by talking. By talking, you can share your problem, ideas, news to others. But sometimes it is not possible to talk to each other. How? Yes. How? If your friend is close to you, if your friend is your neighbor, you can nicely talk to them. Yes, you can share your ideas, thoughts. If your friend is somewhere in another city, very long, then what to do? We communicate through telephone. At that time, we can't communicate directly. Yes or no? If your friend is near to you, you can directly talk to her. If your friend is far from you, yes, if she is in another city or another state, how we can communicate? We can communicate through phone. We can't communicate directly. Yes, we can't communicate directly. So for that, if they are far away, we use different types of communication to talk with those people, those who are far from us. So we use different ways to communicate. There are different ways to communicate with people. So sometimes we are not able to talk directly. So what we will do? We will talk. We will use mobile phones, or we'll write letters, or we communicate our ideas, thoughts to them by using other different types of communication methods. Some means through which we share information with each other as follows. Here are some pictures you can see. All these are used to share our ideas, thoughts with each other. Yes, all these we can use to share our thoughts, ideas. Now first one, see, letter. First one is what? Letter. Yes, in olden days we used to write letters. Nowadays everybody have mobile phones, so if you want to talk directly, we are dialing the number and we are talking. Yes, but in olden days, when mobile phones were not used much, they used to write letters to each other. Yes, if your grandparents are somewhere in villages, know what your parents used to do? They used to write letters and send through post office to their grandparents. When their grandparents get that letter, they will read that letter. Whatever you have within you, you are writing in a piece of paper. Yes, you are writing in a paper in a letter form, and you are sending to your grandparents. As soon as the grandparents get that letter, what they will do? They will start reading. So whatever you have in your mind, you wrote on piece of paper. So grandparents, what they will do? They will read that and they will again give reply to that. Yes, if your daddy is asking you when you are coming to Hyderabad, when you are coming to meet me and my children, so after reading that, your grandparents, they will start writing the letter. So and so date we are coming to see you. We are fine. They start writing. So in that way, we used to communicate with each other through letters. Nowadays also we are writing. Yes, if you want to wish someone, those who are far, yes, nowadays also if you want to wish someone, what you are doing? You are writing, you are making a gratitude card to your parents, you are making greeting card to your teachers. No, if you want to say something to your teacher, you are writing in a greeting card and giving to your teachers, no, on Teachers Day. Yes, so that is also means of communication, Next we have telephone. Yes, why we use telephone? To talk with each other. If they are near to you, we won't use telephone. We'll talk directly with each other. But if they are far away from you, we will use telephone to talk. Next, radio. Yes, radio also used as means of communication. Yes, In radio also we can listen to song, we can listen to music, we can listen to news. Different types of news, news of our state, other state and country will be told in this radio. Through radio also we can get lot of information. Yes, we can't say anything to them, but what they say we can listen to them. Yes or no? And newspaper, in newspaper lot of information will be printed in a print form, no? So after reading newspaper we'll come to know many things what is happening around us. After reading newspaper we'll come to know about many things what is happening around us. Next, mobile phone. Yes, mobile phone is very easy nowadays. Everybody is having mobile phone. Mobile phone is very easy to carry wherever you want. Telephone, we'll keep it at home only. Yes, we can't carry. But mobile phone, wireless, no, wherever we want, we will carry, and it's very easy to talk with each other and also to send SMS. SMS means short message, no? Short message service. SMS, we'll say, no? SMS means short message service. S means short, M means message, again S means service. Short message service. So through mobile phone we can send SMS to each other and talk. What is this? Television. Yes, by seeing television also we get lot of information from that. Yes, you see cartoon, you see news, different types of geographical channels you will see. Yes, you are getting lot of information, lot of ideas by seeing television also. Magazines. Yes, magazines. If you read magazines, magazine is a book. Yes, magazine is a book. If you read that magazine, lot of information what is going on about how to prepare different types of dishes, items also will be given in that. So if you read magazine also, lot of information you can get. Next, books. You are reading books, no? For what you are reading books? So that whatever is there in that, should enter your mind. It should go to your mind. Yes or no? So reading books also will give you lot of information. Whatever you don't know, no? If you read, you will come to know. Yes, whatever you don't know, no? If you read the books, that all things you will come to know through books. So all these act as means of communication. All this will give us information. All these pictures what you are seeing here will give us information. First one, read the spelling. Letter. Letter. Come on, read. Letter. 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 Tele. Tele. Phone. Phone. Telephone. Radio. 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 News. News. Paper. Newspaper. News. News. Paper. Newspaper. Mobile. Mobile. Phone. Mobile phone. Mobile. Phone. Mobile phone. Tele. Vision. Vision. Television. Tele. Vision. Television. Magazines. 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 Books. Books. All these are what? Means of communication. By all these means of communication we get lot of information. Letter, telephone, radio, newspaper, mobile phone, television, magazine, books. All these are what? Different means of communication. Next, here, page number 102. We can send letters to people by post. Or we can send letters? We can send letters to people through post. Talking over phone help us to communicate with someone quickly. Talking on phone will help us. Telephone, talking on telephone, mobile phone help us to communicate quickly. If you want to talk to anyone, immediately we'll dial the number and we'll talk. But letter, if you want to talk to someone, you should write letter, you should post it. That post should reach to that person, and then he will start reading that letter. It will take 3 to 4 days, no, to talk to other. But through telephone immediately you can talk. You may talk to people in other cities or even in different countries on telephone. By using this telephone, no, we can talk to people those who are in other states, other cities and other countries also. We can carry a mobile phone with us wherever we go. Yes, nowadays everybody is carrying mobile phone. We'll keep our mobile phone in pocket, in bag and carry, no. Those who are going to office, they will carry mobile phone. Nowadays you are studying, you are using mobile phone. So mobile phones are very easy to carry. And also we can quickly talk to each other and also send SMS through mobile phone, messages through mobile phone. We use it to talk to people and send text message or SMS. We use telephone, mobile phone to quickly talk to others and also to send messages to someone. Some mobile phones also allow us to watch the person while we speak to him or her. WhatsApp calls we are doing, WhatsApp video calls we are doing. Yes, in video call you can see each other and talk. Yes, in some mobile phones we have this option. Nowadays in all mobile phones we have this. No, if you want to talk to someone, no, we'll call video calls. No, by doing that you can see each other and you can talk. You can see to each other and you can talk. So nowadays we have this facility also. We can see one another and we can talk to each other. Next, page number 103. Next, page number 103. We have revision zone. Yes, we'll write revision zone. First, we'll complete the lesson. Computers. Nowadays, mostly every school have computer. At home also we are using computers. Yes. Now, let us read. All of you must have seen or used a computer or laptop. Everybody is using laptop. Everybody saw computer. Yes, everybody saw computer. We have computers in school. We have computers at home. So what is this? This is computer. And what is this? This is laptop. Laptop will be very small. We can carry laptop wherever we want. We can keep this laptop in bag and we can carry. So nowadays those who are working, no, they use laptops. They work at home also and they will keep this laptop in bag and carry it to office also, and wherever we want we can carry this laptop. It will be small in size. But computer we can't carry. Why? Because for computer we have CPU, no? CPU will be there. For typing this will be there. So we can't carry. A computer we place in one place and we will use. But laptop it's very easy to carry. We can send electronic mails or emails using a computer when it is connected to the internet. When we give internet connection to our computer like mobile phone, we can send SMS, and through computer also if internet connection is given, we can tick a bucket. We can we can book a ticket for bus, train, aeroplane also, for movies also. So we can book a ticket wherever we want. We can do it through our computers also, and we can send SMS through our computers also. So computer, it will be in one place, but laptop we can carry wherever we want. Why? Because it will be small in size and no wire connection will be there. But for this computer we should give internet connection. Do you know? Last paragraph. Do you know? Computers help us in many ways. Computers help us in many ways in our daily lives. Like we book tickets for travel on computers. Yes, we book tickets to travel wherever you want to travel. If you want to travel by bus, we can book a ticket. If you want to travel by train, you can book a ticket. If you want to travel through aeroplane also, you can book a ticket through computers. And also nowadays we are purchasing online shopping also you are doing. Yes, that also we can do it through computers. Traffic lights are controlled by computer. Traffic lights also controlled. You are seeing traffic lights, no, on roads, that also are controlled by the computer only. Yes, which lights you can see? Red, yellow, green. No, red means stop, yellow means be ready, green means go. So green, yellow, red will be on the signal, near the signals we can see these three lights. These three lights also controlled by the computer only. We pay bills in mall through the computers. Yes, when we go for shopping, where we will give money. When we give money, what they will do? They will do something in computers. No, we can pay bills also. We can pay bills also through the computers. We also use smart boards in our classroom to gather information and to learn. In our classrooms also, we have digital classrooms. No? In that we have digital boards that also will be operated through computers only. This is called using technology. This is called using technology, ICT. So computers are, nowadays we are using computers. Computers are used in every place. Yes, in hospitals we use computers. Where you want to pay bill, you will use computers. Yes, in shopping malls we use computers. So computers are mostly used in every place. So this is our lesson, communication. Communication means sharing our ideas, thoughts with one another. Now we will do revision zone. Revision zone already I have written on the board. As I write answers on the board, you will copy answers in your textbook. Immediately you will copy answers in your textbook. REVISION, revision. ZONE, zone, revision zone. Dash, MEANS, means. MEANS, means. OF, off. SHARING, sharing. SHARING, sharing. OF, off. IDEAS, ideas. IDEAS, ideas. AND, and. NEWS, news. Dash means of, sharing of ideas and thoughts. What is that known as? Sharing of ideas and thoughts with others is known as communication. Sharing of your ideas, thoughts, news, information with others is known as communication. COMMUNICATION, communication. Communication means sharing of ideas, thoughts, information, news with others. Whatever ideas, thoughts, information they have, they will share with you. Yes, you will go and share that with other friends also. Yes, your friend will go and share that information with her friends. So in that way, your whatever information you are given will be passed down to others. So sharing, communication means sharing of ideas and news. COMM, communication spelling you should learn. Come on, say COMMUNICATION, communication. COMMUNICATION, communication. MEANS, means. MEANS, means. OF, off. SHARING, sharing. OF, off. IDEAS, ideas. IDEAS, ideas. AND, and. NEWS, news. Communication means. Communication means. Off is not there. Communication means sharing of ideas and news. Communication means sharing of ideas and news. What is communication? Communication means sharing of ideas and news. Next, WEVMAINLY, mainly. MAINLY, mainly. COMMUNICATE, communicate. COMMUNICATE, communicate. COMMUNICATE, communicate. USING, using. OUR, our. We mainly communicate using our. We mainly communicate using our voice. Yes, what we use to communicate. You want to talk on phone also we use voice. Yes, you want to talk on cell phone also we use voice. If you want to talk to your friend who is in front of you also we use voice. Now I am sharing I am reading all this. How you are able to hear? Because of my voice. Yes. So we mainly communicate. Mostly we use our voice to communicate. VOICE voice. VOICE voice. VOICE voice. WEVMAINLY mainly. COMMUNICATE communicate. USING using. OUR our. VOICE voice. We mainly communicate using our voice. Next, WEV can. WATCH watch. WATCH watch. THE the. PERSON person. PERSON person. WHILE while. WHILE while. WEV SPEAK speak. SPEAK speak. TO2 HIM him. HER her. Him or her. Him or her. THROUGH through. THROUGH through. Now listen. We can watch the person. We can watch the person while we talk, while we speak to him or her. Through what? We can see the person. When you are talking, you can see that person, and whatever he is talking, you can listen and see that person. Through what? Through cell phone. No, through cell phone. If we do video call, we can talk to them and we can see to them also. We can talk and we can see them. That person also, he can see to you and he can talk. Yes or no? So through mobile phone, we can see each other and we can talk and listen. MOBILE mobile. MOBILE mobile. PHONE phone. Mobile phone. MOBILE mobile. PHONE phone. Yes, through mobile phone. In mobile phone we have video call option. No, if you click that, we can see that person. Yes, if you want to talk to someone, we call video call and we can see that person and we can listen to that person also, and that person also can see you and also he can listen whatever you are saying. So through mobile phone. Shall we read? Come on, complete it in your textbook. Page number 103. Revision zone should be completed in your textbook. WEV can. WATCH watch. WATCH watch. THE the. PERSON person. PERSON person. WHILE while. WHILE while. WEV SPEAK speak. SPEAK speak. TO2 HIM him. HER her. THROUGH through. THROUGH through. MOBILE mobile. MOBILE mobile. PHONE phone. Mobile phone. Through mobile phone. Communication means sharing of ideas and news. Communication means sharing of ideas and news. We mainly communicate using our voice. We mainly communicate using our voice. We can watch the person while we speak to him or her through mobile phone. Write these answers in your textbook. Now your homework is write revision zone in classwork. Yes, did you check? You have finished your new terms in your classwork. Now start writing. Only 3 are there. See, revision zone only 3 are there. These 3 fill in the blanks. You are going to copy in your classwork. Now take your classwork and start writing. WRITE, write REVISION, revision. ZONE, zone. in. CW, write revision zone in your classwork. Write revision zone in your classwork. So write it neatly. Open your classwork. Now start writing this revision zone neatly in your classwork. And after writing, you will read. After writing, first learn new terms, children. If you learn new terms, you can read all these sentences easily. If you learn new terms, it will be easy for you to read the lesson also. So today I finished explaining lesson. No, you learn new terms and start reading the lesson. Read lesson 2 times. How many times you will read the lesson? 2 times you will read lesson, and also learn while reading lesson. In textbook you have revision zone, so read revision zone also. So complete your textbook and write revision zone in your classwork with good and neat handwriting. After that you will read lesson from your textbook 2 times. So complete your work with good and neat handwriting. Thank you, children.